Joe's Adventures here. We are back at my nan's. At the moment it's very hot, like very hot. Yeah, we've got Rosie here. We've got, by the way, I edited some of the videos and stuff, and I'm sorry that it looks kind of bad. I'm not, like, at the moment, I haven't got a stick thing, so I can't, like, I have to hold it from the camera. So I need to get like a stick so I can hold it without shaking or anything like that, like stuff like that. But anyway, today we're going to Fishcombe. We're gonna have a little swim there. I'll probably ask someone to record, maybe. So, I'll see you when something happens. Hopefully it'll be soon. See you guys later. Just be doing the paddleboard and the kayaks. Very fun. Didn't record it because the phone will get wet because, you know, we're out in the sea and stuff. We're gonna get a GoPro soon so we can record that stuff, hopefully. I'm freezing at the moment. So guys, now we're gonna go to bed. We're in a camper van. Staying outside of Paignton. Hold on, let me show you. We got pier over there. We've got the boats. It's all green. It's all green in here because we got an LED light. Look at this. All green. And we got Herbie over there with Joe. We got is that Talkie over there?
Yeah, Talkie over there.
And then over there, I don't think you can see it, but there's Brixham somewhere over there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next, which is tomorrow. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Ha ha ha.